Harry and Tash are also making good time after a big night of painting their ceiling void. Harry is on track for tomorrow's reveal.
Oh, yeah, nice. All the stuff I couldn't get done, I couldn't reach, definitely. The rest here, I can reach with the ladders we got, the safe ladders we got. It's all come together. It is, yeah. It's good to see him smiling again. Never seen a man more upset than yesterday. Didn't know what happened. Didn't know what happened. What happened? What happened? What happened?
What happened was old Keithy boy and Harry had a minor dispute about some plumbing.
Fighting in Brighton. Harry versus Keith. Recap.
Naughty Harry has been naughty again. Marty, our site plumber, has come to me pretty angry.
Due to a misunderstanding with Marty, the site plumber, Harry's plumber cut through all their stormwater pipes. And Keith has come out swinging.
Marty's going to repair it himself. We're not going to trust your plumber. And we're going to give you a bill of at least $2 grand.
So with round one, a comfortable win to Keith, round two kicked off back on site.
Round two. Begin.
You rang me? I was trying to, rather than waiting until I come on site to have a discussion, you automatically assume that my plumber did the wrong thing.
He did.
Yep.
Harry came out hard and fast.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's going to happen, right? You get a bill of $2,000.
I'm not paying
minimum.
for it, sorry, Keith.
Mate, unfortunately you are.
I'm not paying for it.
See you, mate.
You can pay for yourself, Keith.
So that's the recap done. Today it's round three and Harry's last chance. Harry's plumber is confirming everything will be fixed tomorrow.
It's not a big deal. It just needs to be reconnected and that's it. I don't know. We've sorted it out.
Yeah, all right, mate. No worries.
I'll come fix it. It's no biggie.
Final round. Begin.
Oh, I don't want to see him, sorry. I don't want to see him. I don't want to see the bloke, so I'll walk out. Don't bring him here. I don't want to see the bloke.
Easily that.
Howdy. So we need that plumbing all repaired by Monday. Okay?
Fine.
Otherwise, mate will come in and instead charge you $2,000.
No worries, Keith.
Man, Harry with a passive-aggressive move that leaves Keith reeling.